13 interesting facts about the Burj Khalifa. The Burj Khalifa, or Dubai Tower, recognized as the tallest building in the world at 828 meters since 2010. The construction of the Burj Khalifa, or Dubai Tower, began in 2004 and was completed on October 1, 2009. Initially, this tower was supposed to be introduced as Dubai Tower. However, on the opening day, it was renamed Burj Khalifa by Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum in appreciation of the financial contributions of the then President of the United Arab Emirates, Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. It is said that the construction of the Burj Khalifa cost over $4 billion. The owner of this tower is Emaar Properties. In this video, we will introduce 13 interesting facts about this tower, so stay with us until the end of the video. 1. The Burj Khalifa, with a height of 828 meters, is not only the tallest and highest skyscraper in the world, but also the highest structure ever built by mankind. 2. The cost of constructing the tower was about $4 billion, and the total project cost, including the surroundings, fountains, and other elements, is estimated at $20 billion. 3. The construction of the Burj Khalifa took 6 years, and to mislead competitors, its final height was not initially disclosed. 4. The Burj Khalifa has the highest number of floors among all existing buildings in the world, with 163 floors. 5 interesting facts about this tower are that the time it takes to clean the facade of the Burj Khalifa is about 2-3 months. 6. Among the elevators in the world, the longest distance an elevator travels, measuring 504 meters, belongs to the Burj Khalifa. 7. The highest elevator ratio in the world is located in the Burj Khalifa. This elevator is located inside the spire at the top of the tower. 8. The largest concrete pump in the world was used to pump concrete to a height of 600 meters during the construction of the Burj Khalifa. A night stay at the Burj Khalifa Hotel and Armani Hotel Dubai costs between 2,500 to 4,200 UAE dirhams, depending on the season and selected date. The cost of having a meal at the restaurants in the Burj Khalifa Dubai varies from 200 to 325 dirhams. The world's highest nightclub is located on the 144th floor of the Burj Khalifa, and the highest restaurant in the world is on the 192nd floor at a height of 442 meters above sea level. The tallest building where the New Year's fireworks display and light and sound shows are held is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Dear friends, thank you for watching this video until the end. To see exciting videos of all the attractions around the world and countries, subscribe to our channel and stay with us.